Achuran songbird. The Achuran songbird is a small game bird that, while of Kaldari origin, is used in some Amar cuisine to complement the Amar rockjaw. A particular variant called the white song is a past symbol of the Achura's imperial line. Only government buildings were allowed to keep white songs in captivity, and it was said that when the last white song left the royal tower, the Achura Empire would die. The Achura Empire died first, but the white song is still regarded with great reverence among the Kaldari.